Ahora voy a explicar un poco. I'm gonna try to explain what happened here. So I went plant shopping. Fui a comprar plantas. And I found a bunch of goodies. Encontré muchas cositas lindas de plantas. To start with these two monstera plants. Vamos a partir con estas dos monstera. They were half price because of this. Están a mitad de precio because of how poorly clean, basically. Pretty nice. And also the label doesn't say anything. La etiqueta no dice nada. So I just got these two, both half price. Las dos están a mitad de precio. Then I got these two pitcher plants, tiny pitcher plants. I was looking for something bigger, but estaba buscando algo más grande, pero no tienen, aparentemente. I also bought 3 Venus flytraps. Compré 3 Venus, 3 plantas carnívoras. Since it's been so hot, I keep opening the door and I keep getting a lot of flies inside. Estoy abriendo mucho la puerta porque está demasiado caluroso y entran moscas. I also bought this pepper plant. También me compré esta plantita de pimiento. A lemon balm. Really nice. And these 3 Dracaena. These were also cheap. Another Dracaena. Different colors. And this is some kind of palm. Bella palm. So they don't look very pretty because I was looking for the cheapest. So this was all on clearance. Estaban todos en descuento esto porque no se veía muy bien. And I also got some stuff from the ground. Me saqué hartas del piso, así que those are so easy to reproduce that just leave them here or in sand. And I also took these from the ground. We're gonna be able to grow it or not, but I think some people do it. This is just for now that I have them in water like this. It's because I'm gonna be working. And I also found when I was leaving. Not sure what plant it is. Let me know if you know. Díganme si saben. But I feel like I can also grow this. So I'm just gonna leave them in water while I work on repotting the Venus. Mientras le hago los trasplantes a los Venus y a los pitcher plants, voy a dejar esto así en agua.